Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to enable and disable NIC using nmcli command in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So first let me log into the terminal as a root user. Okay, so this is the command to check the device status nmcli device status. It's showing ENS160 network connection has connected and up and running. So now I'm going to bring down or disable that one. So this is the command nmcli connection down ENS160. You can see that it's disconnected, which means it's deactivated. Now I'm going to bring back nmcli connection up ENS160. Yes. So now let me check the device status. See here, now it's connected and up and running. Also you can see IP address also getting displayed. So this is how you can enable and disable NIC using nmcli command in Oracle Linux 8 operating system.